become future stars. Chapter 13. Discipline, the most important thing. Discipline is very important in life. Before starting the chapter, teacher will discuss with the students what is discipline and why we must follow it in our life. Let's read the chapter. Sumit's teacher has appointed Sumit as the discipline in charge of his class, and he took his responsibility very seriously. Let us find out what happens. Sumit enters his house. Mother, I am the new discipline in charge of my class. Is not that wonderful? Mother, that's very good. Congratulations. Father enters the room. I heard that. It's great. Congrats, son. Sumit, thank you, Mama and Papa. The teacher spoke to me about my duties. I have to make sure that all the students of my class obey the rules of the school and maintain silence when a teacher is not there in the class. I also have to see that they move quietly in a line while going to the playground, computer lab, music lab, or for the morning prayer. Father, I am sure you will be able to work and do your duty in a responsible manner. Sumit, well, I will try my best. If we maintain proper discipline, there are chances that our class might pick up the trophy. Word meaning: appointed, selected. Responsibility: something that is your job or duty to deal with. Discipline: the practice of training people to obey rules or a code of behavior. For being the most well-disciplined class in the school for the coming month. Mother, oh yes, you can certainly win the trophy. Sumit, but a few boys and girls in our class make a lot of noise, Papa. How can I help them to improve? Father, well, that reminds me a talk by my favorite teacher on discipline. Sumit, please tell me all that he said about discipline. Father, Sumit, first you must understand the real meaning of discipline. He said that we must try to understand that discipline is adjustment. It must be based on care and affection. Initially, we must try to find what's the reason of indiscipline. Without knowing the details, the problem of indiscipline cannot be solved. Discipline cannot be based on fear. It is based upon the understanding which you and your class fellows will be having. Sumit, all that your great teacher said is so true. There is a boy in my class, Tarang, who is always busy in talking when the teacher is not there in the class. I just don't know what to do. Father, you can request the teacher to let him sit in the front row. Probably he wants more attention from the teacher and your work will also become easier. Sumit, Dad, I will talk to my classmates and tell them that if we maintain discipline, all the teachers will praise us and we can study well. Father, you all will be able to concentrate better and it will build up your confidence. Sumit, I will try to make them understand that we should aim to win the trophy for being the most disciplined class in school. Word meaning: initially, at first, praise, admire. Mother, the teachers and parents will feel happy if the children are disciplined. Father, moreover, remember what my teacher said. He believed that when students leave school, they should be real human beings with consideration and intelligence who can look at everything without any fear. They should be able to fit into a society. They should follow all the rules and regulations of the society to become a good citizen. Sumit, I will remember all that and do my work sincerely as a discipline in charge. After 1 month, Sumit, Mama, I am really happy today. Something wonderful happened. Guess what? Mother, I have no clue what's the matter. Father, I am sure you have done well in studies or as the discipline in charge. Sumit, yes. My class, we won the trophy for most well-disciplined class of the school. Father and mother, congratulations! We are so proud of you. You will be rewarded from our sides as well for this achievement. Word meaning: consideration, careful thought. Like, share, and subscribe.